Hi, this is Mark from Ublesemp, and today I'm going to show you how to add products onto your Shopify store. So this is a completely blank store. There's nothing on here yet. We're going to click on Add Product. In here we can put the description. So as an example, we're going to use this t-shirt from Fruit of the Loom. So your title will be here. Just select that, copy, go back into your Shopify and paste. Then we're going to come back and find the description, which there doesn't seem to be much here. So we're just going to take this, copy, go back in and paste. You can obviously write this yourself if you've got a bit more creativity, but for today we're just going to copy and paste this. Next we're going to need some photographs, so media. Just right click, save image, and we'll save it in the downloads folder for now. You want to have images for different angles, different views of the item. And we'll save the last one. Okay, so now you can see in our downloads folder we have 4 different photographs of this item. We're going to go back in, upload, and here are 4 items, or 4 photographs of the item. And we can then choose which one we want to be the main photo. If you just click this little sort of dot thing here, you can drag it across. You can move whichever one you want, change the order of them. So I think this one in there, it's the hero shot. In fact, we'll keep it nice and clean. This one, drag the hero shot to the end. Okay, so for pricing, I don't know what the prices are. The site doesn't give it, so we're just going to make one up. We'll go $9.99. You can put in your cost here if you want to work out, your profit margins and stuff like that from here. Inventory, so you can track the quantity. If you have, say, 10 of these in a warehouse, you can then track that. If not, you can untick this and it will just keep selling them over and over and over again regardless. So we're going to put that in. This product has an SKU or barcode. So we then go back in and find this. Will be the SKU. Copy. Paste. We don't have a barcode for it, but that's okay. We're not going to worry about the weight. You can put in the weight here so you can work out shipping rates. It'll, add any items in the cart together, find out the weight, and you can charge based off kilogram, pound, whatever measurement you want there. Okay, so variants, you can add different sizes, which we're going to have to do for this because it's a t-shirt. So we're going to add small, medium, large, and XL. There's probably others that are available there, but that will do for now. So this is where you would control your stock levels. So if you have 5 small, 3 medium, 8 large, and 2 extra large in stock, as you sell these, then the number that's available in the inventory will go down and eventually you'll reach 0 and it'll say this is out of stock. Okay, so if we scroll back up to the top here, this you can change your status from active to draft. If you're not wanting this to display in your store for any reason, you can put it as a draft. Active means it will be showing in your store available to buy. Your sales channels, just go into manage. So you have online store and point of sale. Point of sale would be in-store purchases, or if you're at a trade show or something like that, you can manage everything through Shopify to keep your inventory and keep everything nice and tidy for receipts and stuff like that. So we're going to leave both of those ticked. Your markets, you can go into your settings and choose if you just want to sell in one particular country or if you want to sell internationally, European Union. You can add and remove, individual countries as you want. So product category, this has shirts and tops. You can just either search through the suggestions here. Apparel and accessories, we're just going to go through. Clothing. And there's categories for all different kinds of products here. So We'll just keep it at shirts and tops. Product type, we normally use this for your collections. So you can automatically have your products go into a collection. If you have one for t-shirts, one for hoodies, one for trousers, for example, you can break it all down there in this collections tab. We'll show you that in a second. So for this one, we're just going to put in t-shirts. Vendor would be the brand. So Fruit of the Loom. And because this is the very first one we've added, the vendor doesn't exist yet, so we're just going to click on this little plus. Collections you can do manually, but we're just going to use the automatic one. If you do want to do it manually, once your collections are created, you'll have a list running down below here, but we're just going to leave that. And tags, again, you can use through the collections if you want to use a different, a different selector basically. If you do have more than one product template created, you can drop this menu down and that'll show you them all. For now, we're just going to leave it as this. So that's our first product added. Click save. And now when we go back, this will be the products tab. You'll see your t-shirt here. The others then will fall in below that as you add more. If we go to collections, we can then create a new collection. We're going to call it t-shirts. Okay, so that's just a basic description. Again, you can add as much or as little there as you want to. You can also add an image for your, so we'll actually use this one. Which means when it's displayed on your shop page, you will then have an image beside it. If you want to, you can turn that on or off. Collection type, so we can have manual, where I said you can, go through and add products one by one. Or if you go to automated, we put in was it product category, I think? No, sorry, that's the other one. So it would be product type, where we selected and we put in t-shirts. Yeah, so automatically any products with the product type t-shirts will then be added to this. You can also create another add another condition, to bring more products in to this collection. So if it was, say, t-shirts and vests or something like that, you can then add this and you can create product type equal to vests, for example. Your search engine listing will be your SEO. So you can go in there and have quality t-shirts and then you can put in the name of your shop here. So it would be test store by Ublesemp, and I'm in Northern Ireland, so I could then put in Northern Ireland, which will give you a bit of a boost locally for SEO. Your meta description is just reading from this at the moment, but you can again put whatever you want in there, and your URL handle will be your web address, then collections, and the name of the collection. So we're going to save that. So now if you click on online store, you can go in here to customize your store, but for now we're just going to have a look and see, yep, there's our featured product, our t-shirt, and as you hover over, it'll select between the first and second view of the photographs that you've added to it there. Again, this is the listing, so you've got your brand up here, the title, the price. You can go in and change the settings for your prices, whether you want to be plus VAT or if VAT's included or whatever. I've left it as included. Select your size, small, medium, large, how many you want. So you could add 5 of those, for example, and add to cart or buy it now. This is your description here. People have the opportunity to share the product. If they see something that they think a friend would like, they can then share it to them. That's your main view. You can expand this and look in closer. You can select our second photograph, so on. And that's the basic product listing. You can go in and edit these as well, but we'll leave that for another day. So that's how you add products to your website. If you have any other problems, just get in touch or leave a wee message below in the video description here, and I'll get back to you. We're certified Shopify partners, so if you need any help setting up your store, adding products, custom options and add-ons and stuff like that, reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you.